Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I am here in the Edmonds area. I'm about to do a roof repair. Apparently there is a leaking from that rusted vent, so the water is getting in from there and it's starting damaging all the way down through the gutter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace all of these shingles here. Unfortunately, there are 2 layers of shingle. Let me show you how it looks like. That is the first layer, and this is the top layer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the shingles. I'm gonna make a line all the way through here, because I'm gonna say about 2 feet on the right side of the gutter, because that is the line. See, all the way here to the valley next to the plumbing pipe. So I'm gonna remove until there, all the way up there. But before I start to work, let me show you a few things. Now you guys look here. See, this is a nail that are popping up. Let me show you there. That nail is popping up. Now let me show you one more thing. Can you guys see there? That is a hole. And look inside, it's wet. That hole, that is that one. So I'm gonna fill that hole with caulking. I'm gonna say here, let me show you another one. Can you guys notice that one? There and there. But first, look at that one there. Let me show you. That is a nail. Our puppy map right there. That one is puppy map. So you lift in the shingle. I'll show you this one here. See that nail? That nail in the middle of the screen. That is a nail at our puppy map. Let me show you one more thing. Here. See there? Look. That nail. So, as you guys can see, multiple nails are puppy map. Let me show you one more thing. Look at this one. This is a piece of shingle, and actually you can see a hole there. See there? I don't know where this piece of shingle is coming from. I have no idea. But there is another one here. Look. See? Now, let me take a quick look here. This is a flapper vent. These are used for kitchen, bathroom, and dryer exhausting. Now, let me take a quick look here. See there? Broken corner. You can actually see this one. Look. See this corner? It's broken. Now, remember this? Look at that one. There is another leaking right there by this pipe, and actually you can see how the water is running down. Is this one here. Again, I'm gonna put this repair right here, as you guys can see. This one, the caulking shouldn't be caulking, should be replaced, that one. But in order to remove that, I have to maybe remove that one. Maybe, I'm not quite sure about it. Now, let me show you one more thing. Keep an eye. Remember that vent? There is another one here. See here? See that one? It's the same way as the another one. Now, look at this one here. See there? Now, remember this video? There's another one right here. Take a quick look at this one. See that crack? Right there. Right there. Ending at the nail, and you can see the water is dripping right there. See? Right there. Right there. It's dripping right by the nail, and there is cracking. So this is the main reason that I never recommend leave a nail exposed with cracking. But see that crack? Right there, look at that. When it leaks there, it's actually leaking. Alright, so what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna remove the shingles all the way from here, all the way down through the valley, and replace it with new shingles. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanna point out one thing, and it's this one first. That is the exhausting tubing, hard ducting tubing. Now, by building code, that hose must be straight, so the bend for that hose should be here, and there was an RVO, that is an attic bend. This is an exhausting, so this one should be here by building code, and the tubing must be straight. That is one thing. Now I want you guys to take a quick look here. See, this is water. Look on my finger. See, so the water is running down, as you guys can see. You can barely see it right there. See how the water is running down, and it's also running that way, running this way, and it's going inside underneath this, the first layer. Another thing is, I want you guys to think about this. Now, this is a galvanized nail, you know. And look at this color of this nail. See, that means that the water were getting inside this nail, and in the very long run the nail will be completely rusted. And there were some times like this one, it's gone, you know. Look, I can even break it with my finger. Look at this one here. Now look at this one, there is no nail head, it's just the body of the nail. Look, I'm gonna remove this nail. Look, see, full of corrosion. It's not good. Now because of that bend, and it just damaged all the way down here just because of that. All right, so I'm just gonna keep removing shingles all the way down, inspect the first layer, remove that bend and install new ones, and we'll be out of here. Stay tuned. You guys to take a quick look here. See the water? That is water. Look. That is water. Inside here, see how the water is going inside there. Look at this one. Now I want you guys to take a quick look here. My finger. Salt water. See? See those drops? Look. Inside. Okay. Those are water. See there? All right. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna install the underlayment and see what else I can do. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it look with the underlayment. This underlayment is a water resistant, sprinkle free, you know. So it's ready for the new shingle. That pile of shingle I remove, that pile of shingle, and also this pile of shingle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start to loading all of the materials needed here, and you guys will see how it will look like at the very end. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it look with new shingle. Again, I removed those two bands and one plumbing pipe down there. I will show you in a minute. So this is how it look with new shingle, all the way down there. Look. Now, let me show you what's the difference. This is the old boots. This is what we call boots, and as you guys can see, there is a crack there. See there? It's a crack. Now look at all of these nails. It's rusted. A lot of nails. Now the reason that I replaced this one is because there were a lot of cracking here, and also an exposed nails, and somebody had cracking here. With my method, no nails is exposed, no screws is exposed, the nails is hidden, and the shingle is on top of those nails, so the rain now will be running this way and will never touching the exposed nails as before. This can cause a leaking. So you guys can see here, there is a nail. Now let me show you. Oh, before I get there, just wanna show you guys how it looks like from there all the way up there. Two bands. Now let me show you. Some people install screw there, and I don't do that. Look, remember this one? A few minutes ago it wasn't raining. Now look how the water stays there. See, by the crack. There is a crack there. See? Now look at that. So when there is a heavy rain, water is running here and it's dripping down there. As you guys can see, just keep washing here. I'm gonna stay here for just a few minutes. So it's creating it drops here. So as you guys can see how this water, see, gonna go inside this crack, and it can cause this kind of damage. So this screw is a big no-no. I'm gonna wait. If there is another, see there, dog dripping. Actually you can see, look, keep watching, there is a drop there, just keep watching, see, it drops there. So, and then water will be running inside this crack, and then it's gonna start damaging all the way down there. Like that, all the way across. Same here. See, people like to install screw there, but it's not good. And this is another way. You guys can see how the water is collecting here on top of this vent. Okay. Actually you can barely see it, but there is a corrosion here on top of this shingle. I'm assuming that also this one is leaking. Look at that. See, there are nails there, nail there. Now look at this color of this nail with that one. Look, see, this one look rusted. It means that the water is getting inside from there, and it start to, well, it's raining since an hour ago, I think. So it's time to get out of here. I'm gonna clean this mess, and at the end I'm gonna make a final walkthrough so you guys can see how the final result is. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks now with new shingle starting from there. Few more shingles on top of those vents, all the way down there to the plumbing pipe. This is how it look. Just keep in mind that this is a recent installation, so it might be looking like a wavy, but it will be settled down in the future. This is how it looks. All the way there. So well, I think this is it. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.